Damn. Oh, I missed that, dude. That would have been cool BTS for the video.
Yo, what is up everyone? I'm Chris Effects bringing you guys a brand new video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing another POV photo shoot with a C6. It was a yellow and it was beautiful, and we shot it back in San Antonio before I moved to Arizona. This one was shot a long time ago, so I do apologize on how long it has taken for me to put this video out, but it is here for you guys to watch. So with all that said and done, I hope you enjoy the video.
So first thing we're gonna do is just adjust our exposure here. I do like this long path from this building, so I'm just getting everything right, dialing it in, getting my CPL filter locked in, which it already is, and that looks pretty sick where it is right there. What I'll probably do right now while Mike's cleaning the car is just get some detail spots. One more of those. Yeah, for sure. Like with the yellow background. If you could put the, if you mean up or down, doesn't matter. I was gonna say if you turn on the lights. Oh, they turned back off. There you go. This will be one of them. Yeah, so this spot's cool because I can shoot it from anywhere. So it looks good. Let me just snap some shots. Man, this looks crazy. You don't want to go too low with these photos. And then what we'll do as well, I know I saw you had posted that you're going to a shoot today. So you got to keep the people updated. Oh, forgot to format the card, but that's fine. We'll move the car around too. And let me just get a few more shots and then we'll move it around. Met with the cop earlier, super cool guy. I was worried he was gonna tell us something, but I'm glad I was able to remind him that I shot a music video here earlier. So we're just gonna get the front end here. Potential wallpaper. What we'll do here is, you can see we have all this grass, but we don't want all this in the shot, so I'll either Photoshop it out or just not get it in the shot completely. We'll just get low here and get the shot that we need to get, and then we'll get a little closer, and then we'll get it sideways for the landscape shots. And again, you just gotta get a little closer, just get down, get low. And what I try to do is really line up those lines as best as I can to save myself in the edit. And I always do think everyone does this, where they do multiple shots, so that way for safety. Just gonna fix this here. Yeah, but I shot with Mike, the owner of this car. We did a video on it and we did photos too, so I'm just doing round twos, getting some verticals and some horizontals. What I did want to do is come further back here and get those stairs a little bit in the shot. I think that'd be kind of cool. Give a little story to this photo. Yes. I'm trying to pay attention to the lines in the background, because that's the only thing that's really guiding me as far as the oh, that's a better composition. I like that. It's the only thing that's guiding me for the straight lines, making sure I'm not in the shot. No, I don't like that. What we can do is flip the car the other way. All right. That way we can get some different angles of it. And as far as where I want him, I do like this. I'm not too big of a fan of this like UNSC looking halo stuff here. For the base. It's cool. Some people like it, some people dig it. I don't really like that. I like to have like a you don't know where this is at kind of look. So we're gonna turn a little. You're too much at an angle. Can you turn more this way? It's just too much of an angle. Right there is good. Yeah, and then back up. That's better. So we're gonna do two things. So we're gonna do some photos right here, and I'm gonna have you shift the car a little bit forward, so that way the background could be a little bit out of focus to have more focus on the car. So you've never been to this area?
No, I mean, I've never been over there.
also we want to get a little bit of a wider shot. And I'm gonna come a little bit closer, do the full left to right horizontal, make sure you get all the car just so it's a little bit closer. I could just in post. Next thing we're gonna do is some rollers. First, that'll be the second thing. So right now what we're gonna do is go down that way. You're gonna follow us, and we'll be on the left side on the oncoming traffic. There's no traffic at all on the oncoming lane, and then you'll be on the correct lane on the right side. Since I'm in a Mustang, I have to hang out.
At me.
No, we're parallel with each other. I'm just saying I'm gonna be in the passenger seat. Since I'm in a Mustang, I can't go on both sides. So I'm gonna be shooting actual rollers like we did with my buddy Ray with his truck. Yeah, but I have a Mustang, so I don't have that luxury to go left and right. So just stay on our right side.
Can you make, I know, can you do the fucking, where the background's just fucking blurry as fuck?
So guys, when you shoot rollers, right, you want to have a CPL filter, and thankfully Freewell, not sponsored, they have these sick filters that I use on every shoot. I'm just dusting it off real quick. And the cool thing about it, so I have this other one right here, they just snap on and snap off, and they're magnets, so it's really cool, it's really neat, and they're super easy to use, and it doesn't take much time. The only thing is I forgot to switch it out for the rollers. The reason why I switched it out is because they had different amounts of exposure. So right now, what I'm gonna do, man, that looks crazy. That looks so sick. That looks crazy. Right now, what I'm gonna do is just expose correctly. Make sure that the filter is on, which it is. And then I also wanna make sure that that looks good. I'm gonna have my f-stop kind of high, but that looks dope right there. And I think we'll be good to go. I think the trains are gonna start moving, so we'll start going. That way. All right, we can get rid of the high shutter, or the high shooting mode. We'll get low here and get that shot. Oh, he's getting out. So the workers in the back, I see. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. That looks crazy. That looks dope. Losing my balance, guys. It's kind of crazy.
Let me see that shot real quick.
Oh, I already had it. There you go.
That angle. See this angle? I mean, that one's cool, but I like also this angle where it's more on the fender side of the
Okay,
front.
on the left side.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. I got you. I think that would look cool too, to be honest. You know what I'm thinking? Put your car in the middle of the road.
Sure.
Just straight on. I think that'd be sick. And what I'm thinking of doing is in Photoshop, I'll duplicate it on both sides. I think that'd be sick. Okay, cool. So that's exactly what I wanted right here. Yeah. Thank you. Whenever you're doing front to back shots, guys, you will always want to make sure on what you can see, like on the side mirrors, and then also on the back end. So like from my angle, you want to make sure you can see both ends symmetrically, because a lot of times when you're shooting photos, you might overlook that and forget. So that looks cool. What I'm going to also do though is get a wider shot and get an even wider shot here, and just get like a top-down view. Same concept, you want to make sure that both sides are symmetrical. All right, cool. That looks dope. Got the reflection on the windshield. So again, I'm paying attention to the side mirrors. All right, last spot for the shoot. Just gonna do this quick shot really quick. Yo. Keep going. All right, stop. Reverse, straight. And then turn the wheel all the way to the right. There you go. That way. Turn on the lights, please. I really like the shadow. Come right to this one right here. Like that's good, perfect. Because I want to play with this shadow. This shadow looks crazy. Let's see. Holy. Yeah, let's get rid of the ND filter there. I think it looks cool with the reflections. Honestly, sometimes you just gotta embrace those reflections. Maybe a tail light. Looks kind of cool. Looks kind of clean. Oh, that looks dope. That's kind of cool.
I put the brake on.
I saw that. I was like, oh shit, I gotta take that photo. Yeah, these came out sick, man.
Yeah, I'm excited, man.
All right, getting the last photos.
Where do you want me to hear that jet?
Facing the same way as the jet. Woo! Our man's on some territorial nonsense here. We need the lights on. Lights on. They're not on. Can you put the car right here? No, can you shift the car right here? Yeah. All right, that's mainly for him. All right, cool. All right, we got it. You gonna take a look at it? This is that one.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. I definitely had a fun time shooting this car back in San Antonio. Let me know in the comment section which photo was your favorite. Mine was probably gonna be the rollers that was behind the building. But with all that said and done, have yourself a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this, and don't forget to please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.